Hello, if you're watching this video, you obviously have two things on your mind. One, you would like to start making money online. Two, you would like to take up tutoring, or you have done teaching in the past and now you're looking if you can do it online. Well, you have come to the right channel, as in this video, I'll be showing you the best tutoring jobs online. First off, we kick things off with varsitytutors.com. On this website, as you can see here, numerous students come to from various orientations. For instance, you can see here I'm looking for an MBA statistics tutor, and also you have some that only need some basic information. For instance, you don't have to be a qualified tutor, you can have basic knowledge, as you can see here. And the application process, as I've read from previous persons that have applied, is very straightforward, and you can definitely give them a look. The second website that we'll be checking out is skooli.com. And as you can see with skooli.com, if you should do your research, it's also a very popular online tutoring website. And as you can see here, you'll be able to cash in on your expertise, as our students want to learn from qualified educators. And I should throw this disclaimer out there that there are a few websites that I'll be showing you that you will need higher qualification than normal. And at the same time, there will be a few websites that you don't need any qualifications. You'll only have to pass a basic test that they may present to you and also pass an interview. You'll be able to set your own schedule with these websites on most of them. And also you won't have to go out. The beauty about these websites that I'll be showing you, you won't have to be going out online searching for students to tutor, as they have a large base of students, so you'll be constantly getting jobs. As you can see here, you'll simply apply as a skooli tutor. You'll get approved and verified if you're good and a team leader, and you'll get familiar with the skooli program. You'll be able to set your own schedule and sharpen your profile, and you'll start tutoring. As you can see here, you'll need a bachelor's degree or higher in the related field, a government-issued teaching license, a specialized instructor qualification, example mathematics certifications. As you can see here, you can check out their hourly rate right here. The next website that we'll be looking at is Preplay.com. And you may know about this website as it's one that I'm sure a lot of persons talk about online, as it's a very popular one. One of the reasons why it's so popular is because of their high pay rate. As you can see here, for English tutors get on average $15 to $25 per hour. And you'll be able to teach anytime. Again, you'll be able to set your own schedule. As you can see here, a steady stream of new students, smart calendar, interactive classroom, and convenient payment methods. With most of these websites, you'll be able to get paid through PayPal and numerous other options. As you can see here, you can teach students from over 180 countries. And with these websites, majority of them, you can be able to do your teaching from anywhere in the world. So it doesn't matter if you're in America, Canada, the Caribbean, anywhere in the world, you'll be able to do these tutoring jobs. And the application period is very straightforward. When it comes to Preplay, you should definitely give it a try. And their FAQ, if you may be wondering, what kind of tutors does Preplay look for? Well, let's take a look. No specific certifications or teaching experience is required. We welcome tutors who enjoy sharing knowledge and making a difference in students' lives. So again, you don't need any degree as with the previous website that I show you. And let's see here. How can I get my profile approved quickly? Sometimes we don't approve tutors' profile at the first attempt because the profile photo, video, or description does not meet our requirements. Make sure you use a real photo of yourself. Take the time to record a short video and describe your strengths as a tutor in the description. So come on guys, you definitely have to put your best face forward to ensure that you get the job. How much can you earn with Preplay? Most popular tutors on Preplay earn up to $550 per week, which is very good. Your earnings depend on the hourly rate you set, so you'll be able to set your own hourly rate, unlike with majority of websites, tutoring websites, that they set an hourly rate for you. The number of lessons you teach and how many students continue learning with you after the trial lesson. A tip for newly registered tutors: start with a lower hourly rate to get your first students faster, and you can change your rate as time progresses and also as your expertise improve. The next website I will be looking at is CourseHero.com. And by the way, I will be leaving a link in the description for all of these websites, so you can definitely give them a look by yourself. As you can see here, it's very straightforward to apply, and you can earn up to $1,500 per month. Let's read some more about it. You'll be able to work online, as that's what we're looking for, being able to work online anywhere in the world. No audio or video is required. If you're a fan of teaching and you definitely want to help students, these websites, you should definitely give one of them a try. Example of tutors answers for examples of tutor answers for these top subjects: nursing, computer science, statistics, and probability. So if in the past you have done nursing, or you're currently doing nursing, you can definitely apply here as a tutor. Another website that you can check out is expert.photostudy.co. How do you become a study expert? Simply click the Apply Now button to begin the application. This will guide you through our training videos and subject tests. Once you have passed a subject test, you are eligible to begin working. Most new study experts can complete this process in about an hour. So again, here, you do not need a degree or anything like that. All you need to do is simply pass their subject test, which is very straightforward. What subjects do they offer? Currently, we support Algebra 1, Algebra 2, Geometry, Trigonometry, and Pre-Calculus, and Calculus, Chemistry, and Physics. How much will we get paid? Let's see. The amount you earn depends on how many explanations you provide, and there is no limit to how much you can earn in a given pay period. Typically, our experts can earn between $2 to $10 per hour, depending on the problem volume. So it all depends on the amount of work that you put in. The next website I will be checking out is tutorme.com. Again, you can see their hourly rate is normally $16, and you'll be able to set a flexible schedule. And they pay weekly, which is a plus, as most of these websites tend to pay monthly. And you can see you'll begin tutoring straightforward. And they offer over 300 subjects. You can tutor from calculus to Python theory to piano, anything and everything in between.